Hello everyone, Sigaksi Manang Jun Rudilen. Today I am going to clean this area of my garden because I want to plant some more sweet potatoes in saluyot. However, since the soil is not fertile, I will experiment and make it fertile by adding chicken manure, ashes, and eggshells. We shall see. Current time is 9:32 a.m. on August 21, 2024. I'm recording this for future gardening reference. This part of my garden is infertile, but I am trying out sweet potatoes in saluyot to see if they can help improve the soil quality. Because I enjoy saluyot a lot, also known as Egyptian spinach or molokhia, as a substitute for moringa, both being superfoods. Ay, what is superfood? Kompleto. Kompleto recados. Nga ko nati Ilocano. Its consumption does not bother me and I can have it every day. Hohoy, naimas. Oh, winter is coming or approaching, so let's save more saluyot for future need. Who needs TV when you can entertain yourself by watching your vegetables grow? Jai mouth. Let's expand the garden and make it a lovely show. Yee! How? Kalajot man garden kito.